Hi, and welcome to Dry Eye Relief. I'm your host, Dr. Pam Theriot. I'm the author of the book, Alleviate Dry Eye, and also a dry eye specialist here in Shreveport, Louisiana. Thanks so much for joining me tonight, where you're going to learn how to take care of your eyes like it's the only pair you'll ever have. Tonight, we're talking about the best dry eye kit for the best makeup kit for dry eye sufferers. Sorry. I love this kit. It just came out over the holidays, and it's by 2020 Beauty. It's still available on their website, and it is so beautiful and has the greatest products in it. I'm going to go over each of these 4 products with you one by one, but there's a mascara, an eyeshadow, and lash and brow growth serum, and a special hypochlorous cleanser. So I want to go over each of these with you and why you would want to use them. So we open it up. It is so cute. There's 4 products inside, and let's take out the mascara first. So this is the Clean Sweep Mascara. It's great for those of us who have dry eyes because there aren't any products in there that are going to stick to the lashes and cause us to need to use really harsh chemicals to get it off. Also, there are no toxic ingredients in this mascara. It goes on nice and dark, and it has oils in it that help strengthen our lashes instead of drying them out and making them brittle. So that is the mascara. The second product here is the Visionary eyeshadow stick. I love these eyeshadow sticks because it's not a powder eyeshadow that's going to dry out, flake off, and fall into your tears all day long. It is a nice creamy crayon that you can just brush over your lashes, your lids, and the color stays on all day. You're going to love these eyeshadow sticks. They are great for dry eye sufferers. The third thing, is at the end of the day, after you take off your eye makeup, you're going to want to use these 2 products. This one is the Easy on the Eyes Hypochlorous Acid Spray. So after you've removed all of your makeup and washed your face and now you're nice and dry, you're going to spritz this onto each of your closed eyelids. The hypochlorous acid is a natural antiseptic solution that will kill the bacteria that are hanging out on our lids and lashes. Now, those of us who wear makeup, we may have more bacteria on our lids and lashes because of little bits of makeup that get stuck in between our lashes and create nice homes for this bacteria to really populate in. So you want to make sure you're killing it every night by using this hypochlorous acid spray. You just close your eyes and spritz onto each lash and leave it on there. Do not rub or rinse it away. And the final thing that I love to use is this Get Growing Lash and Brow Serum. It's simple to use. You just pump a small amount onto your clean fingertip, and then rub that into your lashes and onto your eyebrows before you go to bed at night. There are 3 wonderful, nutritious oils in this product. There is castor oil, argan oil, and coconut oil. And it's a blend of these 3 oils that are going to be antiseptic to the eyes and also will enhance growth, and finally moisturize and cause the hair follicles to be soothed and calmed, so that it will help the lashes grow longer and stronger. So there you have it, my favorite makeup kit for dry eye sufferers from 2020 Beauty. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the code PAM25, that's PAM25, to get a 25% discount off of your next set. You can find that at www.try2020.com. All right, thanks so much. Remember, when you learn to take care of your eyes today, your vision will last you a lifetime. I'll see you next time.